If you suffer with insomnia, then a question you may be asking yourself is how to get to sleep fast? It should be straightforward, but the problem is the more you try to get some decent sleep, the harder it gets. Of course, we just do not have an off switch that we press when it comes to nighttime, but instead it is about creating the right conditions for us to fall asleep. This should start before you even think about going to sleep. In fact, what you need to do is to make sure that you are in a position where you actually associate your bedroom with sleep. In these busy times when technology allows a greater degree of working from home, there is a real risk of work materials starting to invade the bedroom. The danger here is that you then start to associate your bedroom, not with sleeping, but with work. Likewise, other interests can start to have the same effect. If you are suffering with insomnia and need to know how to get to sleep fast, then your first rule is that the bedroom should be for two things only: sleep and sex. Allowing other issues to intrude will impede both of these activities. Also, in relation to your bedroom, you should be aware that it is important to exclude as much noise and light as possibly. This seems obvious, but there is a good reason for this in that darkness and a lack of noise act as a signal to the brain that it is time to sleep, but a good starting point is to install thick curtains. Many people who suffer with insomnia do so as a result of a poor routine. They will go to bed at a range of times, sometimes they will read and others they do not. It does not matter too much what your routine is, provided that you avoid drinking caffeine in the evening and doing strenuous activity just before you go to bed. Turn your alarm clock where you cannot easily see it also, and all devices. Why would you want to do this? Well, simply because there is nothing worse than waking up in the middle of the night, looking at the clock and then worrying about how late it is and how little sleep you are getting. This in turn raises stress levels and inhibits sleep. Try relaxation techniques. There are a range of options here. One technique involves the subject focusing on their extremities, videlicet, fingers and toes, and imagining them slowly relaxing. You then move your way up the body, imagining each part becoming more relaxed. Another technique involves imagining being in a particularly relaxing location, a desert island perhaps, and then think about how each of your senses would experience that situation: the wind on your face, the sound of waves crashing on the shore, and the smell of tropical flowers. Take a warm shower. This will help calm your nerves and your muscles down, making you more relaxed as you head to your bed. Warm showers are usually good when you have lavender soap or aromatherapy oils to go with it. Stretch your body right before going to bed. Stretching is different from doing exercises. Stretching loosens up the body from stress and stiffness, making it more relaxed, whereas exercise excites your body, making it difficult to make it fall asleep. Open windows to refresh with fresh, clean air and adjust the temperature of your room. Keep it low and cool, as the body is more able to relax and sleep better when the environment is a bit cooler. But avoid trying to make it colder. Be prepared to have some blankets on. An important factor is the good choice of mattress and pillow. It can to help you relax, sleep well at night, and feel well rested in the morning. The surface of the pillow can also be a source of comfort. Some people prefer a pillowcase with a fresh and soft, like cotton. Some prefer warmth, such as flannel. Milk is the best way to calm your nerves and put you to sleep fast. Milk has essential amino acids that releases melatonin that puts your body and mind in a relaxed sensation, making you fall asleep. Do it exercise. With this technique you consume enough energy to relax your body. You achieve the results you want. Even a simple walk outside will have a great effect on the result. Remember, as more energy you consume, the faster as you will fall asleep. The key point about how to get to sleep fast is to stop trying. The more you focus on trying to sleep and the more you worry about how little you are getting, the more difficult it will become.